बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 8 सितंबर 2024 के अखबार में। तो पहली जॉब है ज़रूरत स्टाफ नोवेक्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड लाहौर इस्लामाबाद रावलपिंडी पेशावर सर्जिकल डिस्पोजेबल मेडिकल डिवाइसेस के सेल्स के लिए लाहौर इस्लामाबाद रावलपिंडी और पेशावर सेल्स मैनेजर की ज़रूरत है। दरकार तजुर्बा 3 से 5 साल। अपनी CV फौरी इरसाल करें novix2020@gmail.com novix2020@gmail.com। जिना मेडिकल एंड डेंटल कॉलेज की जॉब है। इनवाइट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फुल टाइम फैकल्टी फॉर ओरल बायोलॉजी असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर डेंटल मटेरियल्स असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर कम्युनिटी डेंटिस्ट्री प्रोफेसर / एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर ओरल पैथोलॉजी प्रोफेसर / एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर प्रोस्टोडोंटिक्स प्रोफेसर ऑर्थोडोंटिक्स प्रोफेसर एंड सीनियर रजिस्ट्रार पीडियाट्रिक डेंटिस्ट्री सीनियर रजिस्ट्रार पेरियोडोंटोलॉजी सीनियर रजिस्ट्रार ओरल मेडिसिन असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर। एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया अकॉर्डिंग टू PMDC regulations application processing information interested applicants should submit CV latest by 13th September 2024 at hr.hiring@gmc.edu.pk sent by post at HR Department Jinnah Medical and Dental College 2223 शहीद मिल्लत रोड कराची। UN नंबर 021111001786। फ़ोन नंबर 34931888529 34931888529 एक्सटेंशन 3115। जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर कॉस्मेटिक्स इंडस्ट्री फैक्ट्री मैनेजर एजुकेशन MBA BBA B Pharmacy Master in Sciences excellent communication and interpersonal skills strong leadership in depth knowledge of cosmetic manufacturing regulation and quality control ability to optimize production efficiency strong problem solving analytical skills should be familiar with GMP and regulatory compliance manage budgets inventory and supply chain logistics follow safety protocols excellent time management skills to meet production deadlines age limit maximum 35 years accountant education bachelor or master degree in finance / accounting must have good knowledge of accounting software accounts payable and receivable payroll budgeting and forecasting organizational collaboration skills ensure compliance accounting standard and regulations age limit maximum 35 year office staff education minimum BA must have good verbal and written communication skills proficiency in Microsoft Office and Google Suites should have good speed and accuracy in typing adaptability in resolving issues accuracy in data entry and record keeping filing age limit maximum 35 year salary and other benefits as per candidate qualification and experience last date for sending CVs 12/9/2024 email r.b.industries@gmail.com contact at plot 17 block B7 KEPZ कराची। फ़ोन नंबर 0213508039 0213508039। छीपा कॉल सेंटर के लिए लड़कों की ज़रूरत है। छीपा वेलफेयर के शोबा अफरादी क़ुव्वत को बड़ी तादाद में छिपा कॉल सेंटर के लिए मैट्रिक पास नौजवान लड़कों की ज़रूरत है जो कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर भी हों। पुरकशिश पैकेज। दरख्वास्त शनाख्ती कार्ड की फ़ोटोकॉपी, एक अदद हालिया पासपोर्ट साइज़ की तस्वीर और मुकम्मल कवाइफ के हमरा। इंटरव्यू के लिए सुबह 10 बजे तशरीफ़ लाएँ। नोट: ओरिजिनल शनाख्ती कार्ड, ओरिजिनल तालीमी सर्टिफिकेट और दीगर ओरिजिनल असनाद इंटरव्यू के वक्त अपने साथ लाजमी तौर पर ज़रूर लेकर आएँ। राबता फ़ोन नंबर 1020 छिपा, हेड ऑफिस FTC पुल, शाहराह फैसल, कराची। वांटेड असिस्टेंट लेबॉरेटरी मैनेजर, reputed dice stuff and food ingredient and manufacturing company requires assistant laboratory manager with following roles and responsibilities: test and evaluate raw materials and finished products according to industry standards, maintain laboratory stock and supplies, perform routine quality testing, assistant senior lab manager in performing new product trials. Qualification: bachelor/masters in food science/applied chemistry/industrial chemistry. Experience minimum 5 years in related field. Send your CV at info@adilenterprise.com. info@adilenterprise.com. पीपल्स यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मेडिकल एंड हेल्थ साइंसेस फॉर वुमेन, शहीद बेनज़ीराबाद सिंध, PMC हॉस्पिटल लोड, नवाब शाह शहीद बेनज़ीराबाद सिंध, पाकिस्तान। टेलीफ़ोन नंबर 024493024956, 024493024956। ईमेल hr@pumhs.edu.pk, web www.pumhs.edu.pk. Say no to corruption, situation vacant, People's University of Medical and Health Sciences for Women. Shahid Benazirabad invites applications for the following non-teaching posts from talented, determined and motivated individuals who desire progress and growth and can meaningfully enhance the progress of his institution. These appointments will be purely on contract basis: Registrar, Director Administration, Controller of Examinations, Director Planning and Development, Director Medical Education, Additional Controller of Examinations. For eligibility criteria, please visit website www.pumhs.edu.pk, www.pumhs.edu.pk. Application procedure: prescribed application forms may be obtained from the office of the registrar, PUMHSW, Nawab Shah, SPA, on production of demand draft amounting to ₹2500, non-refundable, issued in favor of Vice Chancellor, PUMHSW, SPA. For each post or the prescribed application form can be downloaded from our website www.pumhs.edu.pk, and applications may be sent along with all relevant documents to the registrar, PUMHSW, SPA, supported by original demand draft amounting to ₹2500, non-refundable, issued in favor of Vice Chancellor, PUMHSW, Nawab Shah, SPA, through certified mail/courier service only. No postal transit delay will be accepted. Application forms with full particulars must include CV, 3 recent passport size photographs, 2 sets of attested photocopies of relevant education, experience, residential documents, i.e. domicile, PRC, Form D, and valid CNIC, matriculation, PACCA certificate/marks sheet, and all other degrees and credentials. The required documents are to be submitted at the time of submission of application forms, and no further communication regarding application will be made After the due date, applications on plain papers and / or only CV will not be entertained. Last date for submission of application 30th September 2024. Terms and conditions. Only Sindh domicile is eligible. For other eligibility criteria, please visit our website www.pumhs.edu.pk. Age relaxation will be as per University or Government of Sindh policy. Incomplete applications in any manner shall not be entertained, and canvassing in manner will disqualify the candidate. All information will be kept confidential. Please clearly mention the name of the post on the right corner of the envelope. University reserves the right to cancel any advertised post, partly or as whole. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for further assessment by selection board. Those candidates who are working in government / semi-government autonomous bodies should apply through proper channel. Along with departmental permission, NOC and advance copy of the application forms must also be received in the office within due date. Without NOC, candidates will not be entertained by a scrutiny committee. All documents and experience will be verified, and any subsequent false or misleading documents will result in disqualification from the selection process. No TADA will be paid for appearing in written test or interview. Women, disabled and minority quota will be observed. The pay packages shall be admissible similar to the government BPS already practice at PUMHSWSPA. The resultant vacancy will be filled by the selection board during the process. Registrar, People's University of Medical and Health Sciences, Shaheed Benazirabad. The above has been issued under the direction and with the approval of Honorable Vice Chancellor PUMHSW नवाब शाह SPA. अच्छा जी, ये नेपा की जॉब है, नेशनल अकेडमी ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स, करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी. डेप्यूटी मैनेजर फाइनेंस, द नेशनल अकेडमी ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स नेपा इज़ पाकिस्तान लीडिंग कंजर. ये मैं आप लोगों को बस ये बता देती हूँ जॉब क्या है. नेपा इज़ लुकिंग फॉर डेप्यूटी मैनेजर फाइनेंस टू वर्क एज पार्ट ऑफ द फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ द General Manager Finance. The incumbent is expected to manage the day-to-day activities in accordance with approved guidelines and be well acquainted with taxation laws and governmental regulations. Minimum 5 years of experience in budgeting, forecasting and taxation, preferably in educational institutions and or non-profits is required. It is expected that the successful candidate has experience of working on accounting software and ERP systems. An ideal candidate must be a graduate in finance or preferably a CA or ACCA chartered accountant with hands-on experience in local taxation and procurement rules. It is vital that the candidate values the importance of arts in society and carries an interest in cultural and artistic activities. Interested candidates are requested to apply online at hr@nepa.org.pk latest by September 22nd, 2024. Women are encouraged to apply. नेपा नेशनल अकेडमी ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स, MR कियानी रोड, सिविल लाइंस, कराची. टेलीफोन नंबर 0213569370124, 0213569370124. email contact@nepa.org.pk. Our company set up in 2004 under section 42 of the Companies Ordinance 1984. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एट CPSP कराची. द कॉलेज ऑफ फिजिशियंस एंड सर्जन्स पाकिस्तान is a premier postgraduate medical institution in Asia. Since 1962, statistician candidate will be responsible for the review of statistical analysis plan of synopsis and analysis undertaken in dissertations and research articles. Suggestions of corrections were required based on objectives and study design and assistance of trainees. Statistical concerns. Candidate must be MSc Statistics / Master of Science in Biostatistics and Epidemiology MSBE with special interest in medical research with relevant experience including SPSS Minitab SAS software. Junior software developer candidate must possess a bachelor's degree in information technology or related field, strong knowledge of PHP, MySQL and jQuery with at least 1 year of experience in software development. Candidates with the ability to work with MySQL reporting tools such as PIRT, Datadog, Tableau or other open source BI tools will be given preference. Please send your resumes along with recent photograph latest by September 23rd, 2024. HR Department, College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan, 7th Central Street, THA Phase 2, Karachi, और email jobs@cpsp.edu.pk। अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है स्टाफ रिक्वायर्ड मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर। ये भी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 8 सितंबर की अखबार की जॉब है 2024 के। स्टाफ रिक्वायर्ड मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर, वन ऑफ लीडिंग मैन्युफैक्चरर ऑफ प्लास्टिक पैकेजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स रिक्वायर्ड marketing officer having minimum 5-year experience in dealing corporate sector like textile, pharmaceutical, beverage, packaging material. Qualification bachelor's marketing. Email hr@pw-shandar.com. Telephone number 0213243140225 +920309 3331197 +920309 3331197। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।